add these below. So today we're going to be making slime, and we're going to make a lot. But this isn't just any slime. This is
Jiggly slime!
It's Jiggly jelly slime! So we're going to be making it with a big old container. Let's get started.
Okay, let's do it.
So let's review the ingredients. You'll need some glue.
And we're using Maddie Ray's. And we need some water, like a lot of water. We need like colors, whatever paint, whatever dye, whatever you want.
Then you need some activator. You can use Tide laundry detergent. You can use borax and some water, like we're doing contact lens solution, baking soda, whatever activator you have at home. So let's go and get started on making this.
Okay.
So the first thing we need to do is pour our glue into our bowl. We're making a lot of slime because the water is going to make it super duper big.
Okay, now
it's time to add the water. Okay guys, so we filled it up with a lot of water.
hopefully it works.
Oopsies.
It's got a lot on
Okay,
itself.
it's okay.
Okay.
I didn't get this much. So we're just going to start mixing this up.
This is so much. This is going to be slime, guys. I can't wait.
Now we're going to add in the paint, and let's color it pink. Yes.
Now it's gonna look like a lot, but really, compared to the huge amount of slime we're gonna make,
it's
this
gonna
is
be
nothing.
not fun.
Okay.
Now it's time to activate our slime. Okie dokie. So here are the slimes. So basically, it's a nice pink little dude, and we're going to start playing with it. You guys can hear the ASMR. Guys, in the discussion tab, if you didn't see, I posted something about a giveaway. Comment what kind of squishy would you want for a giveaway. We are planning for the next, and we're just trying to get ideas. If you have like a good idea, by the way, it can only be desserts because that's the only mold.
It's a bundt cake.
Yeah, like bundt cakes. But what kind of bundt cake would you want?
Any bundt cake. Even a star and a heart bundt cake.
Okay, guys, so yeah, you can go comment to that discussion tab. And if you win the giveaway, which we'll be doing, like, we're not going to pick which has the best idea or something. We have this wheel, and that will announce who is the winner of the giveaway. So make sure you comment in by entering the giveaway. Just please subscribe and like, and yeah, make sure to stay tuned for the next video. And bye-bye. See you next time.